Hey everyone, this is Dr. Paul. So here we're going to be doing an adductor or inner thigh pin and stretch myofascial release. So the adductors are pretty important because they're the fail-safes for our legs, especially if we have any weakness around our hips, around our core. They pull our legs inward and help us walk around. So with this, to find the adductor, first I'll have Adam on his side, and then we'll palpate the inner thigh, find a tight spot right about here. And the adductors are essentially 5 different muscles that come down in this triangle from the pelvis down to about midway down the hip here. They tend to converge. So I'll find a tight spot in that triangle, hold firm pressure, borrow his leg. So first I'm going to sink in so that way it's not too sensitive. And then while holding that pressure, I'm going to rotate the leg down and rotate up. Now this can be a little bit gnarly. So we always want to make sure that we start off nice and easy. Don't want to drop the elbow too fast with too much pressure. And then usually with an adductor release, I would do about 3 to 5 spots, doing 10 of those rotation reps per spot.